We all love GIFs. Let me show you how quick it is to create a very simple animation right from Keynote. So first, I've created my slides here. As you can see, I have repeated and duplicated a whole lot of them just to get to my final product. Now, after I've created and duplicated all my slides, creating a little animation, I can go into File and then click Export to and then Animated GIF. And when I get there, I want to make sure that I've selected all of the slides. I can change this to whatever size I think I need, and I can keep it to 30 frames per second. Although, if you wanted it to be a lower quality, you could change this to 15 frames per second. And I can also change how fast or how much slower do I want this GIF to run. In my case, I'm going to keep it here. So I'm going to go ahead and click Next, and this is going to ask me now where I want to save. So I'm going to put this in this folder, and then let me show you what it looks like. When I go to the folder, if I try to just open it, by default, it's going to go into preview, and there I'm going to see all of these frames. And this is not really going to show me the effect that I need. Now, for me to see it as a GIF, I have to right-click and then go to Open With, and then choose Google or Safari, and that is it. There is your little GIF. Now, using it, like say you wanted to send an email with it, or use it on a Google Doc, or use it anywhere else where images are needed, all you need to do is drag and drop. And that's it. I hope you like this tip. Bye!